Hello, my name is Frank Postberg. I'm head of the Planetary Sciences Group at the Freie Universität in Berlin, Germany. And I was lucky to participate in the Cassini mission, where we explored Saturn's icy moon Enceladus and found that it harbors a global ocean which lies under an icy crust just a few kilometers thick. Through warm cracks in the crust, a cryo-volcanic plume ejects ice grains and vapor into space that provide access to materials originating from this subsurface ocean. And by probing these materials, humans for the first time actually were enabled to get insights into the inorganic and organic chemistry of an extraterrestrial liquid water environment. In the presentation on Tuesday, I will review the results from the two mass spectrometers aboard the Cassini spacecraft, which frequently carried out compositional in situ measurements of plume material emerging from the subsurface of Enceladus, and I will discuss how these ice grains and vapor emitted from the oceanic surface can act as messengers of ocean properties. So please join me to dive into Enceladus's ocean on Tuesday, where I will hopefully convince you that Enceladus is one of the most habitable places in the solar system outside Earth. Thank you.